Wow, doesn't seem that long ago I was cuddling her in my arms. Now we're going off on our first fishing trip.
Yeah, Dad, it goes by in a flash. Pretty soon we'll be putting that college fund to work.
You and Barb have been doing a good job looking out for her future. Now I'm also going to be doing something for her future.
Really? What's that, Dad?
Take a look at this.
DNA banking. Sounds kind of futuristic to me, Dad.
That's what I thought when I first heard about it. But this is something I really looked into. It's a reality right now.
Really? So what's involved?
Simply put, it's saving a person's DNA in a safe and secure location. It's like putting money in the bank.
Why would you need to bank your DNA?
Well, you know, we've got some health conditions that run in our family. If it's in our genes, we pass it down from one generation to the next. Banking my DNA allows for future testing that could help our little Annie stay healthy and happy in the future.
This has gotta cost a mint, Dad. Do you have the money?
That's another great thing about this. There's a one-time fee of $98 for this service. The DNA is banked forever in a safe and secure location, and it's for use only by our family.
Come on, Grandpa, it's time to go.
Are you banking on the future? Your children are. Thanks to rapid progress in the field of genetics, medical and research specialists now have answers to questions they didn't have as recently as a few years ago. Having access to your DNA sample in the future will be helpful in personalizing your family's health care. Family trees like this one show how these diseases are inherited in a family over multiple generations. If you are concerned about passing these diseases on to the next generation, DNA banking can provide a way to do genetic testing when you need it. Contact us and we'll send you a free banking kit with everything you need to bank your DNA. Then contact your healthcare provider to schedule a blood draw, which you can conveniently do at your next lab appointment. Remember to fill out the paperwork in the kit and take everything with you to the lab. Once your blood sample has been drawn, it will be placed inside the kit and sent to Prevention Genetics in the included prepaid mailer. Once your sample arrives at our lab, the DNA will be extracted from the blood, measured for quantity and quality, and then frozen using ideal long-term storage conditions. To ensure the safety of the sample, Prevention Genetics stores a portion of the DNA at a separate, secure off-site location. You and your designated representative will then receive a copy of your DNA banking agreement to keep with your important papers. You will be able to access the sample whenever you need it. After your death, your representative will have the legal right to your sample. In this way, your DNA will be there to help answer important healthcare questions for future generations. This process, including all shipping and handling fees, costs $98 and will hold your sample in safe storage indefinitely. There are no annual storage fees. You have the right to have your sample sent anywhere you wish for future testing. And you can have the sample destroyed by giving written authorization at any time. DNA banking is for everyone, but it is urgent for the elderly and terminally ill. The future testing of your DNA may prevent suffering and lower healthcare expenses for your family members. When you bank your DNA, it will always be accessible to you and your children. Your health and the health of your family could depend on it.
Grandpa, I got one.
Reel it in, honey. That's a winner.
Are you banking on the future? Your children are. Don't take your genetic information to the grave. Contact Prevention Genetics to bank your DNA. Prevention Genetics Lab is fully accredited by the College of American Pathologists.